Good day. I am Andrea, 38 years old, graduate of Marketing in Bulacan Agricultural State College in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. I am married with two stepdaughters ages of 19 and 16. I have a hands-on experience as a housekeeper with one employer only on 2015 to 2022 in Quezon City, Philippines. During this time, I am responsible for the cleanliness and organization of the house, cooking daily meals, doing laundry and ironing it, and accompanying my employer whenever she needed to go. I am also a licensed driver, and I am confident behind the wheels. I take pride for being honest, respectful, detail-oriented, trustworthy. If given opportunity to be hired, I will do my very best to serve my employer very well. Thank you.